Welcome to my $50,000 F1 experience. There's VIP tickets, there's paddock passes, there's grid walks, there's everything, guys. Even getting to meet some of the drivers. It's an insane experience here in the UK, if you can't tell. I mean, who's ever sat in a hot tub while watching a Formula One race? I don't think anyone. But here we are outside of the paddock entrance here, and you can see the drivers' cars, Lewis's motorcycle right down there, Lando's P1, Oscar drove the Speedtail, and all the drivers are set up, and they set up right here, and then they walk right past here and head into the paddocks, which is what we're about to go into and check out. These paddock passes are the ultimate experience and everything that you want when coming to Formula One. You see all the drivers, you see literally everything inside these paddocks. Down there is the team principal for Ferrari and Lewis Hamilton. Lewis. Very quickly. Thank you. There he is. Yuki. Yuki! This is behind the actual cars. So there's the paddock right over there. And then they go to the garages where the actual cars are. And everyone's just staying right here because Lewis Hamilton is right there. But this is where it goes down. This is where it happens. This is where they keep all the tires. And there is the actual entrance into the McLaren garage here. David Coulthard and the other interviewer, I forget his name, but hey David. Hey, Gordon Ramsay. Ali. This is it inside the paddock here, and you can see it is busy on race day, and thankfully the rain has stopped after the Formula 2, Formula 3 races. Hey buddy, how are you? And we got everyone here and ready for the race. A lot of cameras are out, a lot of people are out. I mean, everything is going down here. So right here are two Ferrari garages here, and then the Mercedes is right here. Down there is Red Bull. I mean, they separate this kind of based on the teams, and quote unquote better teams or the higher teams in the standings right now are down further at the end down there, and then the worst teams are down on this end. So you can see it get increasingly busy and increasingly crazy the more you go down there. Here we're on the bridge over the paddock, which is back there, and then the actual track is right here, and we're walking over the track right now. You can see literally everything from this angle. Like, one of the best views from the entire race is literally right here, and it's just the bridge walking over the track. You can see all the garages down there. It's a little bit hard to see with the rain right now. Now what we're doing is we're headed over to the Red Bull station, which is right there. You can kind of see, look at the cars going through and going down. How cool is that? We're in the Hilton section of the racetrack in the Grand Prix, and look what they have. Literally a McLaren, because you know Lando Norris and McLaren is like kind of sponsored with Hilton. Look what they have set up behind is this insane Formula One car, literally barely hanging and dangling from the ceiling. I absolutely need one of these in my house. So this is the Hilton hotel room, and check out the view coming out here. Wow, what an awesome view on track here. Here we are in the Red Bull area. So this is what it's like in the Red Bull hospitality area here. It is packed on race day, and a car actually just spun. And oh no. So they have food over here for everyone to have some food, and I'm actually starving. I haven't eaten yet. And all of this is complimentary, which is the best part. My favorite part. I mean, who doesn't love some free food? We have a full Red Bull motorcycle here, more drinks and areas over here. You can see the track. You got everything. This is amazing.
And then just pop it this way, and I'll put it back on.
Okay.
Go for it.
Amazing. Thank you. They're literally giving people haircuts here. And then you get your nails done. You can do that. I got some ice cream. Like, they got everything here at Red Bull.
It's getting into it now. Hand with the clutch is...
Thank you. There we go. Thank you. So we're in the Escapade right now, which is $50,000 for a weekend to stay here. And this is the general wellness area in here. And look at the gym that they have. I mean, a full oxygen thing for you to be in, and then a whole gym here, and then the track is literally right out there. So imagine you're taking a walk, you can see the race going on right there, and then the track is just out there. This is the view from the terrace and the rooftop terrace that they have. All the cars going through. What I mean is the common areas, and this is where you can watch the race from, but there's also the private houses that each person is rented, and these private houses are $50,000 for the F1 Silverstone weekend here. And you can watch it either here or from your private house over there. Pretty insane, pretty cool. So this is the pool that you have and you have access to just watch the race right there from the pool. So you can be in the pool and then see all the track. The sauna here is actually quite nice. It's quite warm in here, quite nice. And the view of the track, imagine the sauna and watching the Formula One race with the pool too. Incredible combo. Everyone is freaking out about the dog. Look at all the photographers for Lewis Hamilton's dog right here. That's insane. Everyone's freaking out. Hi, buddy. Hi, little doggy. Most famous dog at Formula One right here. This is all for the dog. All for the little dog. Oh my gosh. So what we have here is the ultimate pass of passes here. This is the Grid Walk Access Pass. And the grid is getting set right now. And we're gonna go check it out, see all the cars up close. This is the best. Here we are crossing the bridge over to the paddock where we can actually do the grid walk. They're bringing out all the cars now. They're getting everything set up and everything's ready to go. This is the coolest thing ever. This is like the actual ultimate pass. Oh, above the paddock, above everything. Actually being able to walk the grid, see the cars and everything. We're about to be down there and go do it. Honestly, not sure, but they're getting pictures. All the cameras are here. Everyone is lined up and there's a huge crowd to them hop on and go on the grid walk. And right there is the pit lane access. Here we are. We made it on the pit lane. Complete insanity here. Oh! Lando! Here, so many drivers. Oh my gosh. Here's the McLaren. Oh my god. This is insane up here. Insane. Oh my god. Look at this. Woo! That's loud. Warming up the car. Oh my god. Mercedes car. There's Oscar Piastri's car. So many drivers, so many cars, everything getting warmed up here. This is pretty cool. Oh, and it's raining for sure. It's definitely raining. Oh my gosh. Here we are. This is the real POV. This is what it's really like to be on the grid. The Ferrari getting ready, drying off, the interviews, everything. going on right now. Sky Sports. Hello, hello. It is really crowded. Oh my gosh, it is busy. We're trying to get to the back of the grid to give us some more space and to open up a little bit. And maybe we could see a little bit better stuff going on, and then we'll work our way back to the front here. But the Alpine, the grid is busy. Here we are, we got some open space now. AlphaTauri, Williams, all these cars getting prepped, getting ready to go. Haas. Now we have some opening space a little bit. They're starting up the cars. It's loud out here. Oh my gosh. How cool. Tommy, nice to meet you. Tommy Fury, the only man to beat Jake Paul. Not bad, kind of impressive. We got the Williams car here. There's so much going on. Oh my. Incredible. Incredible. A lot of people, tall people, and a lot of people on this grid. Oh my gosh. What insane. So many people. Aston Martin F1 getting prepped. Everything. Talking to her for like 30 minutes, but I'm not sure who that is either. I guess we'll just keep going. We'll just keep going. The Red Bull, Max Verstappen's car, getting ready. Really loud. They gotta warm up the car, get it to higher temperatures, get it to racing temperatures, get the oils hot. Everything needs to be done so that they can actually perform at the best level here. Christian Horner, hello. Team principal of Red Bull, not bad. We got a lot of drivers and everything over here. Here are all the drivers.
It's time, the British national anthem will be sung by Becky Hill in the presence of our dignitaries and honoured guests.
Franco. Hey guys, Lance, Nico. Franco, George. Lewis. There's the flight. Everyone is clearing out and heading out. The other way? I just was told to go that way. Okay. Like that guy is just pointing everyone that way. Little bit unorganized here, and they're trying to get me out of here, which I understand. I'm not driving the car, so. Max, get ready. Corner Ramsay, all right. There he is. DJ man. Here's the formation lap beginning, and all the cars headed out. Now, this is not the race start, this is a formation lap, but what a great view for the formation lap, and everyone, they're off, they're going, and I missed it.
And the British Grand Prix is go! That is the heavy contact on slick tyres, and he's going to apply the power and off the road at Beckett's corner, and he is lucky because that grass is not flat, I can tell you.
To just how little the car see, he's rear-ended.
Oh my word.
Rear-ended the car in front.
And not be he's going to lose it. Max Verstappen spins round from second position. Airman and Ocon come together, racing each other. The correction into the gravel, and he's still P14 after that moment.
So much chaos this race, it is insane. Nico Hülkenberg that just passed us in third place right now, which is insane.
No one has ever waited as long to stand on a Formula One podium. Get rid of that stat and celebrate Nico Hülkenberg. 239 starts and a podium finisher in Formula One at long.
Lando wins the silver shirt. There's Oscar. What an insane performance, and all the fans outside watching the podium. Insane. There are the drivers right up there on the podium. Everyone has covered the track here, and what an end to an amazing and insane race. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the $50,000 Formula One experience, worth every single penny. What an amazing experience. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for coming out. If you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram @CamCasey. And remember, just don't quit. Bye.